Hello, my name is Peter and I'm the one to show you how to create this one-page website. On this one-page website, you are going to have so many sections, and you are also going to have a one menu that you just click on it, it just take you to that section. You can see when you click like FAQ, it just take you to where you have FAQ. If you click on contact us, it just take you to contact us form. You see, if you click on home, just get you to the top of your website. You're going to create also the header. You're going to also create the footer. You see, you have the footer here. You're also going to use free resources, that is, you're going to use free themes and free. Welcome, this is my home page and the one that you're going to change. Even if I reload it, you see it will remain the same. So what we need to do is we come to cPanel and we log in. After we log in, we scroll down to this position where we have the app installer and we install the WordPress. Click on WordPress. After you click the WordPress, you will be directed to this installation page and select install now. The next thing you need to do is to check the version you are installing. I'm installing that is this version. After that, select on the domain you want to install. I want to install on this domain, and remember to remove this WP prefix. After that, come to site setting and set your name and set your site description. The next thing you need to do is come to admin account, set your login credential, and so is advised to change this login credential. From there, scroll down and click install. See, it has been installed. So you receive this congratulations message, and the first thing, let's check on this domain and refresh it. You see, we have already installed WordPress. The next thing we need to do is use this link. You'll be directed to this dashboard. This is the backend where we are going to change everything from. Here, the first thing you need to do from this section is you go to setting and select general, and on this position you'll be able to change your site name. You can name your website. The next thing you can change from here is the tagline. Let me show you what this is the tagline here, and this is your website title, so you can change them from there. The other thing you need subscribers. Select anyone can register as a subscriber, or you can select on which position, on which role you would wish the new registered to present there. So I want a subscriber. The next thing you need to set is your time zone. I'm in +3 for me. Select your time zone. Select the favorable date format for you and the time format for you, and save the changes. From there, now the next thing we're going to set is permalink. Select permalink and select post name and save changes. From here, what we need to do is go to appearance and customize. So from here, come to site identity, select a logo. Let me upload one. I select and I crop it. Crop. For now, I have set my logo. Let me set my site icon. Let me show you. This is where your site icon on your browser, it will it's supposed to show like this one, and crop it. From there, publish, and after that we close this one and we go back to dashboard. The next thing we need to do is go to appearance, and when you go to appearance, select theme. These are the theme that came after I installed my WordPress. So let's load and see how the page look like. Here you can see the theme 2020, WordPress theme 2020, how it look like. Let's change the theme and see the effect. Let's refresh this page. Yeah, you can see the page just changed the way to look like. Let's install another. Let's activate this theme here and let's refresh. You can see it just change even the featured image. You can see everything just changed the way to look like. So we need to install a theme that we are going to use in this tutorial, and this is a free theme. Let me delete this one. We are going to use a free theme, and everything will be all free, even the plugin that we are going to use. It's called Hello Elementor. Just type hello. You can see Hello Elementor and install it. This is it to how to look like, and activate the theme. You can see, let's check the look of the website. You can see it just changed everything. You can see even the featured image, you don't have it. You can see even the menu, and even everything just changed. So what we need to do is redesign everything. So we just come here and we go select plugins, select installed plugins, and let us first of all delete all this plugin. Select, let me show you, select here, and everything will be selected in back on this section here, on this down drop section here. Select, delete, and apply. We are going to use free themes. You can see even you are having a call to action to install this page builder, but let's install them. Click on add new, come here and search for Elementor. This is the best free page maker that we are page builder that we are going to use. Is from elementor.com. Elementor page builder, 5 million plus active installation. Install that one. The other plugin that we are going to use is this Elementor header, footer, and blog template. Select, click on install now. The other plugin add-on for Elementor that we are going to use is Elementor Kit. Element Kit Elementor add-on. So click install now. And the other plugin that we are going to use is called Sticky Header. Let me search for it. It's called Sticky Header, Sticky Footer, Sticky Header for Elementor. Here you have it. Click install now, and we are going now to install our last plugin that we are going to use in this tutorial. It's called WP Forms. Type WP Forms, and you can see contact form by WP Forms. You can see from WP Forms more than 3 million active installation. Install this one. After successful installation, click install plugin. Let activate each and every plugin. So we start by Elementor. After installation, you can see it just give you this warm welcome, and also you have the option to create your first page, but we're not going to create for now. Let's close and go back to plugins and install plugins. We need to activate all plugin. From here, let's activate all of them. After successful activation of all plugins, what we need to do now, you can see, after the activation of the WP form, just directed us to this welcome page. So what we need to do is create form, or you can come here from WP forms and select all forms. Let's add some few forms that we are going to use in this tutorial. So we are going to have a contact form. I'm not going to create for now. I'm going to use this lady made. So this is the form that they had, the sample form. So this one we are going to use. Save it, close it, add a new form again, and use letter form. Close this. Let's move the name, or you can just leave it the way it is and save it. After that, let's close. From there, now what you need to do now is go to pages. You can see they have already installed some few pages. We don't need all of these pages, so click move to trash, select all of them and apply. Select trash and let's delete all of them. Empty the trash, and now we create our page. Remember, we are creating a one-page website, so we are going to have everything in one page, and everything gonna work well. Let me show you how. So this is the introduction, the typing in the editor that we are having. So let me close it and add. So we call it homepage, and publish. Select back here and select appearance and customize. Go to homepage setting, select static page, select homepage and publish. Homepage, let it be the page that you have just created. Let's close it and get back there. We go to, now we are in page section, page, select page here, and all pages, select this home page and edit with Elementor. Now we are going to redesign our home page. Let's load here. Let's load this one and see how it will look like. You can see this is how it will look like. This is where we are going to create our page from. So we are going to, let's remove, the first thing you need to remove is this name. So go down here and select setting, hide title. You have already hidden that one, and update. You can see when you update and load this page, you see effect immediately. It happened immediately. You can see it just disappears. So we are going to keep updating and creating our page. So what we need to do now, select this per section and add a new section here. Let's set our background color. Click on this button here and come to style. Background color, I want it to be light blue, like that one. From there, now what I need to do, select on this and drag and drop to section. First of all, let me make this one layout stretch. I just stretch this one and I want it to be full width. Yeah, you can see now it's full width. The next one, the inner section that we have just dragged and dropped on this header section here is supposed to give much of the information about your website. So you're going to add a header. First of all, the header here, and say you can type anything you want. After that, set it where you want it. Let's style it and set the color. You can see now it's visible. So from there, let's set the title. Let's set the topography. Select Montserrat. Select this one. Add the size. You can give the size. Weight, let it be like 800. Transform, let's capitalize. Decoration, you can add a line and or you can leave it the way it is. Let's go to content and set it from one section. You can see look good. From there, I don't think we have. You can even set the text shadow. Yeah, something like that. From there, let's now add some text here that will explain on our project. You can type what you want to, type what you have. Yeah, style what you have, style it you want it to. Set the topography, you can even set the size. Yeah, the one that favors you. The next thing we're going to add here is a video. I just leave it the way it is, or let me add some link. So just here, come here and paste my link. That was that one of my tutorial. So the next thing you need to do, click here and come to advanced padding, enter 100. You can see we have some space. Let's add a header here. And you say one page website, and we set it on the middle and set the color. Yeah, set the topography. Let's set the topography. Select Montserrat. Select the size, weight, and something big. Transform and capitalize. I decorate and underline it. From there, we have set our hello section. So the next thing you need to do is duplicate this one, and we change everything now. From here, click on this section here, style. Let's change the color. Let it be a white color. So we need to remove this one. So on this here is about us. About us. So just give a brief information about your website on this section here. So come here, let's add a picture here, an image on this section. Let me upload some few images. After the upload, let me select this image, the image that I want to use there. You can see I have it, and here you can talk about your company, who are we, explain yourself, style it, topography, set the topography, increase the size, add some weight, transform, yeah, and you can align. So from here you just have to add a text and explaining who you are. Yeah, explain yourself, who you are. So, and let's update. You can see it's about our section. The next section we are going to add is our services. So we duplicate this one, and you come here and say about us, our services. Our services. On this section, we are going to change first of all the color. From here, select style and select, add some color here like this one, you can see. And the next thing you need to, what we offer, what do we offer, something like that. Try to explain yourself. Let's change this image. Let's first of all click on this one and we interchange. You see, this was here and this now it's here. Let's change some image here and something like this one, and we say what do you offer, explain yourself here. We offer our timely services and what you do offer your service, what service your services look like. The other thing now we need to add is we are going to have a theme here. Let's duplicate this one. Let's change the background color, the style. Come here and we just add another color. So we rename from here and we say our theme. So the next thing we need to is what we do our theme. You just insert the theme that you're having. Let's delete this one. Come here and drag an intersection here. Let's delete one. So what we need to do is search for theme, drag the theme, add insert. So what you need to do is choose an image. I have an images already. Insert the image, change the name, change the position. Let me say CEO. Let's come to social profile, set everything from here. You can even change this icon here. You can like say white background, let it be blue, depending on how you may want it to look like. You can even set the border type, yeah, and you can even set the color for the border. You see, it's good. So after that, what we need to do is click on this section here and duplicate this one. Duplicate to the maximum number of the team you're having. Yeah, if you're having like 5, duplicate it. So click on this section here and increase the content width to how to when you see the picture look good. Yeah, you can see it look good. From there, you can set each and every one on clicking on this button here, and you change the picture, and you have to change the info here and the mobile position. You click on this button here and you change to each and every one of them. Click on this, yeah, look good, and set it. Yeah, you can see how it look like. From there, we need to duplicate this one, and we first of all click on this section and we change the background color, maybe something like black. So on click on this one, you can change the style here, something like that, and we delete the theme here. So what we need to add is an inner section. We delete it and we come here and say FAQ. So you can drag and drop. You can answer, you can create your question from here. Click on it, answer, click the question, mostly asked question. These are the frequently asked question, and name from here. Say FAQ, frequently asked question. If you want to edit this one, click on this position here and write answer your question. Yeah, after that, now we add our final section. You can add them as many as you wish and as how you may want, as per your requirement. So the next thing we need to come here is connect with us. Connect with us. So we change the color from here and come to setting, and we enter something like light blue. See, you will understand why I want this color and I want it to finish my website. So on this section, I delete this one and I insert an inner section. Wow. After that, drag, see, type shortcode, drag it on one section, and you come to this page here, go to dashboard and select the WP form or forms. These are the shortcode that we need. Come here and say copy this contact form, go back to Elementor, paste the code. You can see the form is there, and we give our heading. Click here and type the heading. Contact us, set it on the center. Style, let it be white or black. After that, topography, select, I like the family of front family of Montserrat like this one. Increase the size, weight, let it be like 900. Transformation, capitalize, let it decoration, underline. Yeah, from that we can add some text shadow like this one. Yeah, you can increase the bra from this section. You can see how you may want it to look like. Yeah, that one is good. The next thing we are going to add is type here, add a header here. Let's type first and see what you're typing, and say new design coming soon. Register. And get them delivered to your email. So new design coming soon, delivered to your email. Set how you may want it to look like, or type what you want to. The text color, set it one favors you. Select it. Topography, set how you may want it to look like. Weight, you can increase the weight. Transform. In that, let's enter our second form. Copy the shortcode here. Copy, come here, click and add shortcode. Drag, drop it, and paste the code here. You can see the next thing we're going to add here is social button. Drag this one and drop them here. Set your link from here, and you can also add something else. You can even add WhatsApp and everything else. Set the icon. Yeah, you can see, and you can also say let's style them. On this section content here, you can select both text and you can light text, and but I don't want it, I want icon. So let's style them, and we come to, there is no color option setting, so you can leave them the way they are. Yeah. So after that, we update. So the next thing we need to do now is click from here, come to advanced, click this section here. I want you to be keen. Click on this section, on this pen here, on this corner here, select advanced, come to CSS ID and say, select the first one and say home. The next thing you are going to do is scroll down to about us and click on this pen edit here. Click advanced CSS and say about. The next, enter our name that we will remember so easy. The next, select our services. After you select our services, select advanced here, CSS code, enter something that you will remember. Services. Click, scroll down, click here on team, advanced, CSS ID and say team. Scroll down to FAQ, click on it, select advanced, CSS ID, enter FAQ. scroll down to now this form. You can select connect with us or contact us. Select contact us here on this section, go to advanced, and you can say contact us or say contact and update. From there, now we have finished with our page. You can add as many sections as your project may need. We need to exit this one. After that, go back to the dashboard. We have created our page. Let's see first of all what we have created. Click here on another page. You see, this is what we have created. Yeah, everything working well, every button functioning well. So what we need to do now is go to appearance and select menu. Now this is where we will need those IDs that we created. We need now to create our menu. So main, call it main menu, main menu, and create. We will have nothing from here. So first thing we need to click on another page, open dashboard, open pages, open the page you just created, open with Elementor. Let me show you why, because you are going to add some custom link from here. Let's remove this one and come here and say custom link. Copy this copy your first address URL, copy, paste, stroke, come here and click on this section and select advanced. It's always good to copy this name or see if you used capital, you should light it the way it is. Like if you use capital letter, use capital letter from all of even in this section. So enter some, we click, let me set my language here. Yeah, working good. So we set hash capital H home, and here is type link text home. Let me type it 12 home. So add menu, add another custom link, type your website link, stroke, scroll down here and click on it. See how you did type it. Capital A is advised. So about on link text, say about us, add to menu. Let's scroll down and see our services, click on it, advanced, see how you have written it, come here and add another link, stroke hash, hash capital S services and type our services. Add to menu. The next thing you're going to add, scroll down here, our team. You can decide to add it or leave it. Let's add this one, FAQ. Copy, paste the link, enter hash the way you did, return a FAQ, add that. From there we need contact us, copy. You can see I did load it in small letter, so I need to be very keen on that. I just copy, paste and say contact, and on link text I say contact us. Contact us, and I add to menu. Then from here I arrange my website. You can arrange everything, your menu, not, and select primary and save menu. From that, now what we need to do is come to appearance. Let's see first of all what we have just created. You can see they are visible now. You can see when you click on it, just take you to that section. So what we need to do is we create our header and our footer. Let me show you how. Go back to dashboard, appearance, header and footer. So our new, type it as header, select option here, select header, display option, enter website, user role, all, and publish, edit with Elementor. From here now we are going to add our header. We click on add one section. Let's set our color. I take this color that is here, so I just come here and I click on style, click on classic, select color, and I select that one. So what I need to do now, I go to layout, stretch the section full width, I drag and drop an inner section here, duplicate it. I want only this section, and I can even increase the size. I want it to be just there. Search for logo here, site logo, drag and drop it. You can set the size here. You can even add custom picture, but I don't need it, we already have it. So from there, click here on this other section here and say nav menu, select this one from HFB. You can see we already have our menu. This thing you can add as button. This last menu, the last menu item that I want it to be default. Come to layout, set them in center. On style, you can increase the padding, vertical, you can increase space between, let them be there. On hoover effect, underline, like when you just come to it, just see the line. Text color, select a good color that will suit you. Background, let it be the same color. You see, drop down menu, if you're having a drop down, you can set here from here. So for now you're having a main menu. So you can see on hover, I select on hover, just the color change to white. See, background color ring color effect. You see this one. So the other thing is you need to select is active, the one that is active. Let the text be LED, background, let it be something like white, and on hover let the color be green, and we update. The next thing now you're having now is search here. Type search, drag one for HFB, input with button. You want that button. Let's style it. Text color, let it be black. Placeholder, let it be black. Let's select also here, and background, let it be white. Let's now, you can even increase the border style and everything. Let's come to button, this button here. So I want the button to be white, the way it is. Background, let it be black. You see, good. So the next thing you do is set this icon to the one, you see, it fit them. So with that, we have just created our header. So the next thing we need to do is now go back, exit dashboard, and we are new, and we say footer, select option here is footer, entire website, and is the role, let it be everyone. Publish, edit with Elementor. So we are now going to create our footer. Click this and select section, one section. Let's set the color. Click on style. We set the color almost with our header. Go to layout, change the section, content width, enter full width. Click on this section here and we add an inner section to section. So what we need to do is come here and search for copyright by HFB, drag and drop it. Let's remove powered by. Let's set the text color to be black. Yeah, you can even set the section where you want it to be. I want it to be this far, and here come to this section again, type copyright, drag and drop, remove this one and leave it powered by. Yeah, you can even enter something by your site, or you can say connected by, and you can set where you want it to be, and I want the color to be black, and update. After that, we exit the dashboard and we now view our website. See what we have just created. Yeah, we want our header to be sticky. So what we need to do is go back. Let's go back. To header and footer. Select appearance. Come to appearance here and select header and footer. Select header edit with Elementor. So first of all, there's one thing we need here. Just to menu here, I never liked the color the way it was. Background, active. Background, let it be the same color here. Offer background, let the normal, let it be like that. And we come here, select on this one section, this one here, advanced, site sticky header, select sticky header effect and enable. You can enable either on desktop, tablet or mobile. You can even add some scroll distance. You can set everything. With that, let's load our page. Let's exit another page. Let's load our page. Go back to dashboard. Let's load our page. You can see if you click on each button, everything working good. Yeah, so this was not supposed to be a page, so let's click this one. Let's edit that button. So we need to come to header. That one is on menu, so we need to go back to dashboard. Let's edit this one. Balance menu. You need to set everything correct. Come here, hashtag connect. We never added a hashtag and we save. Let's load our page and see. You see everything now working good here. You see, when you click on it, looking good. Now what you need to set is logo. We'll go to dashboard or customize and set your logo. Set identity, select the site logo. Why it disappeared? So crop it and publish. Don't know why it's not. You can also set it from edit. So let's come here and set our logo. Then from here, you can insert and you update. With that, let's get back and see how it look like. You can see now we have our logo, our header. Let's scroll down and see our footer, and here now we have our footer here. You can see we have created our one-page website. Yeah, that's our one-page website. So you can see the team, every button working well. So this is what we have created for today, and that was the lesson for today. Did you learn something? If you did learn something, don't hesitate to hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification for you to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you.